Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make toilet bombs. Before today I used to use just hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle with essential oils. I added the essential oils myself. I got the hydrogen peroxide from the dollar store for 99 cents, and that is what I used to use for my toilet. I would just spray the toilet bowl, wait for some time, and then just grab and flush. And I saw this idea of toilet bombs. I think it's cool, I think it's fun, and I will show you. So in here I have 1 cup citric acid, 2 cups bicarbonate soda, and I'm going to use my peroxide spray with essential oil and spray it on here while I mix it up. Now, if you don't have a hydrogen peroxide, you can use water. Most of the recipe use water. I just decided to use peroxide. You can use water and it will totally work. So, number 2, you want to use a spray, the one that's like a spritz. Because if you just add water just once, it's going to clump so fast and you might find it very hard to make it get the consistency you are looking for. So the consistency we are looking for here is like damp sand. You want it wet, but you don't want it so wet that it's runny or it's just clumps together. So let's start. And you need a whisk. I'm using a fork just to, so let's do this. So this is it. This is what you're looking for. So I've seen you can add color if you are that artistic and you just want to have some fun. You can add color to it. Just make sure you're adding the right color so that it doesn't stain your toilet. Because if you add food color, I think it will stain your toilet. The color I normally use in things like this is the mica. I have one here, but I'm not going to use it. This is what I use sometimes in soaps or things that I want to have some color. I'm not going to use it in this because, it's just a toilet cleaner. I don't want to waste my color, but I know some people like to have fun and stuff like that. You can totally add color. So here we have damp sand. It looks like wet sand. So that's what you want. And then you're going to put it in your mold. If you don't have a mold, you can use ice cubes. As a matter of fact, you can just use your hand, do this, and just put it on a tray and leave it to dry. But I'm just going to use the mold for fun. And this mold is really big, so I'm not going to fill it. Otherwise, I'm just going to use too much for just one clean. So just fill it up. And I might have to go and get another mold. And then once you fill it up, you leave it to dry so that it becomes hard. When it dries, it will be hard and you can easily take it out of the mold. So if you do it at night, you can leave it overnight to dry. But if you do it during the day, just check it and see how long it will take. I will tell you the time it takes for this one to get dry. So I got the citric acid from on Amazon. You can get your citric acid in a hardware store as well, or even Walmart. Walmart carries it. Bicarbonate of soda, you know, it's everywhere. You can get it on Amazon, Walmart, Target. Any grocery store carries bicarbonate of soda. So that's just the two ingredients that you have to buy, and the other ingredient is water. Essential oil, you want to add it because of fragrance and also some antibacterial property. So you can add whatever essential oils you like. A lot of people would want to go for essential oils that helps with odor and all that. I find out that every essential oil has some kind of nice smell that helps to zap every odor in your bathroom. And almost all the essential oils I buy are antibacterial. I'm actually concluding that all essential oils are antibacterial, but please research and see whatever you are using, see the properties and see what it offers you. So thank you for watching. I will show you the end product. So this is the end product, and it's really beautiful. It's nice, and this is too huge. You can break it into two and use it. You can actually hear it fizzing because of the citric acid. But honestly, I feel it's unnecessary, especially in terms of cost, because I'm looking at really spending the lowest when it comes to things like these. I feel I can clean my toilet with just one ingredient or two. This is just too many things, and also it consumes time. It's fun to make, and it's just a way to be creative, especially if you are not good with creating things like me. But it's absolutely expensive in terms of cost. I already had the citric acid because I use it in cleaning my water distiller, but it's still a waste. And bicarbonate of soda seems to be something that is cheap, but still I feel it's a waste. So if you ask me, I think I'll just go ahead and clean my toilet bowl with hydrogen peroxide, some essential oil for deodorizing, or I would just clean with my colloidal silver, which also helps with these stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye.